Streamlined Silhouette. The aesthetic and functional blend harmoniously in the streamlined silhouette of IONIQ 6. Evoking the naturally sculpted beauty of a riverstone with a simple, aerodynamic, and sensuous silhouette design, the Electrified Streamliner offers optimized spatiality and new typology to lead the EV mobility era. Parametric Pixel lights light up the future with IONIQ's signature Parametric Pixel design. Showcased in over 700 parts including headlamps, rear combination lamps, and front lower sensors, the design has evolved and integrated to reinforce brand identity in IONIQ 6. Implemented in every IONIQ model, the Parametric Pixel links the digital and analog to connect generations towards an electric future. Beauty of transparency. Transparent materials. IONIQ 6 embodies the silhouette of our dreams, shaped with glass-like, transparent textures that exquisitely reflect light. The functional, sensorial, and emotional attributes of transparency are highlighted in IONIQ 6. A rear spoiler, shark antenna, DSM camera, crash pad garnish, door map pocket, and console lower cover, further accentuating the sense of spaciousness and uniqueness.